Hello students, good evening. Yesterday we have completed lesson number 6. It's only matter of practice, and today we are going to start with first poem. Okay, then we will complete second, third, fourth and fifth. We should be little fast because we have only 1 week in our hand. Our exams are going to start on 1st September. Okay, so the first point which is given, the first question which is given in the English Bal Bharati workbook is, how long has it been raining? So answer of first question is, it has been raining all night long. What is first answer? It has been raining all night long. The second question which is given in your book is, what effect will the rain have on the following? Please take out your page number 5. Okay, page number 5 of your workbook. Here it is told that what effect will the rain have on the following. So first effect, it is about kitty. Okay, what will be effect of rain on kitty? It will make lazy kitty wash its little feet. We have studied in poem what happens to little kitty. Little kitty's feet are getting dirty, it becomes muddy. So what little kitty is doing? Little kitty is washing her feet. Second point is roses. What is second point? B, roses. Now what is effect of rain on rose? Roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. Okay, so what will be effect when rain water will fall on the petals of roses? What will happen at that time? Roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. King and queens are wearing or not diamond crown of diamonds. So in same way roses will wear what? Roses will wear diamond or like kings and queens. Third point is C, pansies. Pansies. Now what will happen to the pansies? Pansies means what? Small plants. Okay, what will happen to the pansies? The pansies will all get muddy because they are so short. They will all get muddy. They will get all muddy because BECAUSE, because they are so short. They are so short. Now third question which is given is, what is the child planning to do next day? I told you next day what he is going to plan. He is going to sit in the boat and take a round to see by the street. Okay, the child is planning to sail her boat the next day in wonderful new places. So I am writing third answer. Question number 3, answer. The child is planning to sail her boat the next day in wonderful new places. This is our third answer. Next, now turn your page. Here it is told that Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Now there are some rhyming words in the poem. Question number 2. Long song. Okay. Then street, feet, places, faces. In this way we have written rhyming words, and one question is given. Describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surrounding. This question is for you. What happens in your surrounding, that you have to write down. If you want me to write, I will write down 2-3 sentences, but then you have to write down what happens in your surrounding. So your question is open-ended question. When it rains in my surrounding, now there is one boy, he has written, when it rains in my surrounding, the trees begin to look clean. There is a pitter-patter sound of rain on the roofs of all the houses. Very soon streams of water begins to flow along the roads and streets, and we begin to hear the croaking of frogs. Frogs are croaking or not? Yeah, they do drow, drow, like that voice comes. Now I will give you only 2 sentences. Remaining sentences you write down. When it rains, in my surrounding, the trees begin to look clean, There is a pitter-patter sound of the rain. There is a pitter-patter sound of the rain. On the roof of the house, or on the roofs of the houses or house. Okay, in this way we have completed our first poem. What we have done? We have completed first poem. Can you see all answers? You can stop the video and write down answers of all questions of first poem. Okay, next lesson is Aesop's fables. Here it is given that question, the first question of Aesop's fable is, name the person who first told these fables. What is name of the person who told this story? The name of a person who told story is Aesop. Okay, so you can start writing question answers of second lesson. First you complete this, okay, complete first poem and then lesson. Now for example, second lessons, first question is what? Name the person. Lesson number second, first answer. It is assignment 1. Name the person who first told these fables. Aesop was the first person. You can write down. Aesop was the first person who told this fables. Fables means what? Fables means short stories. Okay. Now question number 2. What did the stag like about himself and why? The stag liked his beautiful curving antlers and he hated what? He hated his what? Ugly feet. So second answer is, the stag liked He is beautiful. His beautiful curving antlers he found that they looked graceful and added to his beauty. He found that they looked beautiful. They looked graceful, not beautiful. They looked graceful and added to his beauty. In this way, we have completed 2 questions of Aesop's fables. Please complete this much writing, and then you can stop. And if you have answers, you can find out answers in your book. If it is possible, find out answers and complete remaining workbook. If not, I am going to complete it in next week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Whatever we can complete, that much part of workbook we will try to complete. Okay, at least I think so. We will complete second and third poem. No problem. I think so. We will complete. We will able to complete all lessons. I will try to complete all lessons. Okay. Thank you.